Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into iCloud. Com in your Windows browser so notes become accessible. Use your Apple ID and follow two-factor prompts. This secures the session and links devices. Once signed in, make sure Note Sync is enabled on your iPhone or iPad so content appears online. This step is necessary because Apple Notes stores synced notes in iCloud. Without sync, Windows Access will show old or no content. Now open the Notes web app to begin working on items. Once you're in iCloud Notes, start creating or editing just like on iOS. Type, add checklists, attach photos, and format text. Use the folder sidebar to organize, drag notes to move them between folders. If you prefer an app feel, pin the browser tab or install the site as a progressive web app in Edge or Chrome so Notes behaves like a native app. Make sure to save or wait for the auto-sync indicator. Syncing is what pushes changes to your other Apple devices. To finish, sign out of iCloud on any shared Windows machine and close the browser to protect privacy. If changes don't appear, clear the browser cache or toggle Notes sync off and on in your iPhone settings to force resync. This resolves most stuck sync issues. Remember, you can export content by copying text or downloading attachments from the web interface. If you need an app-like workflow, install the site as a PWA. That keeps Notes easily accessible on Windows without additional software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.